today I have a very old, very big iron Abloy classic padlock. This is, I think, one of the first Abloy padlocks. I find in some documentation that they said one of the first Abloy padlocks. This is the iron one, very heavy, very big, and plus it's with the old keys, or the one of the first keys, so with this rounded bow, and you can see it's very weird. Suoma, I think it's Finland, Abloy, and it's working with a key, and it's catching sometimes, but it's working. The shackles go all the way. Even this pin needs to stop, but I think it's rusted, and it's a lot of rust inside. It was very rusted. Let's say that I'm glad that this lock is working. It's very hard to find, at least even in Sweden it's very hard to find this kind of locks, and I'll put pictures to see, just you can see how bad it was, and how rusty it was. I did use the rust remover it was sitting for like probably a whole day or something like that, 24 hours, and then it's a completely different padlock when the rust is gone, and still there is no, and inside it's a bit not good, and inside I put a lot of WD-40 and still it's catching. The key's for some reason working very nice, so it was catching and it was not working properly, but now it's like, it's smooth action and it's unbelievable. So to pick this one I need to rearrange things a bit, but before I pick I just want to show you the difference with this is a 30 Abloy Classic 30-20, just to show you the difference how big this is. This is the normal padlock, and this is like and the difference in it's very heavy. I will try to measure it and put in somewhere on the screen how heavy it is. So yeah, let me rearrange things a bit so I can pick it. Very tricky pick because of the discs are like rusted, and it's not rusted, it's brass disc probably, but they're like a lot of dust, a lot of things piling up. So yeah, give me a chance to rearrange things and let's start picking. So I rearranged things a bit different lighting. Hopefully you can see it's going to be very hard for me. I'm going to go around the lighting, the camera, it's going to be very crazy, and because of that, as I mentioned, old disc, it's going to be very tricky to pick this one. Here's the key again, it's working. Let me show you. So it's locked, now it's unlocked. Let's lock it back. Let's put it in this strange orientation. Let me again clean the key, and let's start. So before I start picking I need to rearrange the discs. So the second, the disc before the last, it's the full disc, the old style disc, so I cannot just rotate everything clockwise, so I'm doing like disc by disc to prepare and yeah, that's the last disc. So let me, not the last, the disc before the last one. So now I need to grab the last disc, yes, and let's start. Hopefully it's going to, you can see what I'm doing, because I need sometimes to go to release the tension, because it's grabbing the disc and they're like yeah, nasty ones. I'm glad that this lock is working. Let's say it like that. So first disc nothing, second nothing, third nothing, fourth nothing, fifth one nothing, sixth one nothing, seventh it's binding, so I need to remove. So I'm rotating the tension clockwise so I can remove the pressure, so I can move the disc. So now I think 7 it's done, 8 feels set. So let's go back from the start. Come on, let me, and yeah, 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3, come on, 3 nothing or small movement, 4 feels okay, 5 it's binding, removing the, going clockwise to remove the tension, and hopefully the disc will start moving. At this point won't start moving, so that's one of the issues that I encountered previously. So for some reason one of two of the discs just don't, yeah, I think maybe it's catching on the false gates, I don't know. I think now it's set, so let me go next disc. I think it's set, so that was a 5, 6 and 7. Let me go back. 1 feels okay, 2 okay, 3 okay, 4 okay, 5 feels okay. Let me go. Again it's not going to. 6 okay, 7 7 it's some kind of a move on the core. I have no idea on which disc I'm now, so let me check if I'm on the last. Yeah, this is the disc before the last one, so I think I said something wrongly. 1, maybe not, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I rotate 7 clockwise, fully clockwise, and I don't think that is binding, so I return it back to the original position. But now the lock won't tension. Like it's stuck. Yeah, that's the complication with the old discs, and I'm trying my best to. I think now it's tensioning, so let's start from the top again. So 1, now everything is like stuck. Why? No, my tension turn is not. No, it's open. Wait, what? I think. Let me check if it's open. Yes, it's open. So, oh, it's it's a very, very tricky. So the last thing that happened is like I got the last disc was didn't want to turn, so I just managed left and right to turn it, and now it's open, and I need to put it back. So I need to, because of that disc before the last, I cannot remove the tool, and that's the consequence. So I need to go the disc number 7 or 8 and to just turn it clockwise so I can start removing the tool. But yeah, I'm glad that it took me a bit longer than usual, but I'm really glad that I picked this one on camera, and hopefully I can remove my tool. I need to rotate every single disc and my light tie. So for some reason they both die, and sorry for that. And again, but nevertheless, this was, and I don't know why I cannot, I need to go one step by step and rotate all the discs clockwise, and then hopefully remove the pick. But yeah, that was the very cool, very old, very heavy Abloy classic picked. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.